The S&P 500 has experienced its fastest decline since 2022, and the leading tech companies have reached their lowest levels in almost 2 years. What are the reasons behind this drop, and what can be expected in the coming months? In recent weeks, the S&P 500 has lost 9% of its value, a decline not seen in 2 years. This situation has raised concerns among investors, who are trying to understand the factors behind this negative trend. One of the most noteworthy aspects is the impact on major tech companies. Apple, Amazon, Google, Meta, Microsoft, Nvidia, and Tesla, known as the Magnificent Seven Inches, have recorded a combined decline of 14%, taking their valuations to levels not seen since early 2023. Several factors have contributed to this market adjustment. First, recent decisions regarding tariffs in the United States have increased uncertainty and affected investor confidence. In addition, recent reports show slower growth and employment figures below expectations, raising fears of a possible economic slowdown. Finally, the reaction of investors, who have chosen to reduce their exposure to riskier assets, has intensified the massive sell-off. The impact on the tech sector has been particularly notable. Tesla has dropped more than 15% in recent weeks and has accumulated a loss of over 50% since December, while Nvidia has recorded a 5% decline, affecting the entire sector. In response to this situation, Goldman Sachs has adjusted its expectations by reducing its projection for the S&P 500 from 6,500 to 6,200 points by the end of the year and by revising its growth estimates for 2025 and 2026 downward. The market's behavior in the coming months will depend on several key factors, such as possible modifications to U.S. trade policy, new economic data that either confirm or dispel recession fears, and investment strategies that focus on more stable sectors less vulnerable to volatility. In this climate of uncertainty, investors will need to remain vigilant to changes in the economic landscape in order to make informed decisions. Please subscribe for more content.